Hey everyone, and welcome to our unboxing, review and gameplay test video of the BenQ X3000i Gaming Projector. This projector is designed specifically for gamers, with advanced features and technology that promises to deliver an immersive gaming experience like no other. The projector offers super low input lag, 4K resolution, 240Hz refresh rate, Android TV integration and a robust sound system. So let's dive into the unboxing and review the product. Let's start with the unboxing. The BenQ X3000i comes in a well-designed box that provides excellent protection during transportation, which is pretty important considering the premium price tag. Inside the box we find a user manual, a set of extra rubber feet for upside mounting, a remote control and a power cable. We also get a BenQ Android TV stick, which we'll check out in just a minute. And last but certainly not least, we have the nicely protected BenQ X3000i. Before we get into more details about the X3000i, let's first check out the accessories. So, the BenQ TV stick that we also get allows you to enjoy Amazon Prime Video, and we have access to all the latest Android apps with Google certified Android TV. Next we have the remote, which is quite comfortable actually. There are dedicated buttons for activating the game mode, voice command and Amazon Prime. Now let's talk about the features and the specs of the X3000i. The projector boasts a 4K Ultra HD resolution and HDR10 compatibility, which promises to deliver stunning visuals and vibrant colors. It also has a 240Hz refresh rate at 1080p and a low input lag, which is perfect for fast-paced games where every millisecond counts. With a DCI P3 100% coverage and 4 LED light source, X3000i provides accurate color performance without decay. There are also 3 game modes in which you enjoy buttery smooth gameplay. At 4K 60fps we get 16 milliseconds, at 1080p 120fps we get 8 milliseconds, and at 1080p 240Hz we have blazing fast 4 milliseconds response time, which offers unmatched precision and control in any game. At this price point, the X3000i pretty much outspecs and outfeatures every rival gaming projector on the market. With a claimed 3000 lumens of peak brightness, the projector can overcome a decent amount of ambient light, as well as getting more benefit from today's HDR gaming revolution. The 4 LED lighting system also ensures richer and more vibrant colors, while still offering between 20,000 and 30,000 hours lifespan. That's enough for more than 10 years of hassle-free use, based on an estimated 5 hours of day use. Before we test the projector in some actual games, let's first take a quick look at its design. The front panel has contrasting glass-like black finish and a distinctive orange trim running all the way around the front edge. On the side, we find the zoom and focus wheels, alongside a set of menu navigation buttons. At the back we have all the ports and the built-in speakers, which actually provide an excellent sound quality. And on the left side we have some more ventilation holes. We can even see the heatsink and the copper heat pipes, which is kinda cool. Now let's talk about the performance of the BenQ X3000i during a gameplay test. I've played a variety of games, including first-person shooters and open-world titles, to see how the projector handles different types of games. So first we'll launch GTA 5 on the PS5 in the Performance RT mode. Here the game runs in upscaled 4K at 60fps, and it also includes ray tracing. So essentially we have the best of both worlds. In terms of the image quality, the BenQ X3000i offers a crisp and sharp picture. The color reproduction is equally well optimized for both gaming and media content, which is actually quite rare even in the more expensive projectors. The color settings is optimized either for gaming or movies, and typically don't look quite right with whatever type of content they're not optimized for. The great color reproduction is mostly due to the 4 LED lighting system that the X3000i adopts. Typical single-chip DOP projectors with similar brightness levels tend to have quite a noticeable rainbow effect. The X3000i, with its 8-segment color wheel, exhibits significantly less noticeable rainbow effect. As I mentioned earlier, the X3000i is capable of reaching 3000 lumens peak brightness, which contributes to one of the most impressive HDR performances we've seen from a projector at this price point. The higher brightness also means you can enjoy a rich and pronounced dark tones, even in a room with a fair bit of ambient light, which is great. You also have 3 gaming presets. The RPG settings gives graphics a more cinematic look. The FPS mode offers more details in darker areas, while the SPG mode prioritizes color to deliver sort of more realistic grain pitches and diverse skin tones. So next guys, we have Fortnite, which looks truly amazing on the BenQ X3000i. As you know, the game received a major graphics update and it now uses the Unreal Engine 5. Currently, we're at 120Hz at 1080p resolution and the game feels very smooth. Add the huge 100-inch projection screen that we're effectively gaming on and you get an awesome gaming experience. If you were to buy a TV with a similar screen size, you'd have to spend at least 2 times more. Plus, the added benefit of being able to easily transport the projector makes it, at least for me, a more desirable purchase than a big TV screen. To further enhance your gaming experience, BenQ has specifically fine-tuned the image setting for most of the popular games on the market. On their website, you can find the best color and image quality settings and you can adjust them accordingly. Next, we will try Call of Duty Warzone 2, which also looks very sharp. I didn't notice any delay, the movement was fluid and responsive. Overall, a great performance from the X3000i, even in a fast-paced FPS game such as Warzone 2. And last but certainly not least, I also tried Hogwarts Legacy on my laptop and it looked absolutely gorgeous. There's plenty of contrast, we have rich dark tones and you can even see the most fine details.
Well, you are here. Make the most of it.
Overall, the BenQ X3000i Gaming Projector is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a high-quality projector with excellent image quality. You can find purchase links in the video description, and with the discount code ImmersiveGamesX3000i, you get additional 15% off. Furthermore, BenQ also has a line of gaming 4 LED short throw projectors. The TH690ST is a great option that you can also check out if you're looking for a more affordable projector for your gaming setup. And guys, that was it for this video. Hope you liked the X3000i and see you guys in the next video.
The guide will give you opportunities to practice your magic and educate yourself about wizarding lore. I certainly would have appreciated